Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your seller ID and payment details so listings won't be blocked. Once done, gather each product's title, SKU, dimensions, weight, and clear images. Next, sign into Seller Center, choose Catalog, then add New Product. This is where you begin entering a single item or upload a prepared CSV. Make sure your product category is accurate before typing any descriptions because category affects attributes and shipping rules. Now click Create Product to open the detailed entry form and proceed. You'll now populate the detailed fields. Write a concise title, select the best fitting category, and add brand and bullet features so buyers and search match. Upload high-resolution images, ensure the main photo has a white background, and add variations like color or size with distinct SKUs. Then set price, promotional price if needed, accurate stock levels, and wait for shipping calculation. Once complete, use the validation button to check missing attributes and save as draft if you need to review before submission. You finish by previewing your listing to confirm images, descriptions, and prices appear correctly, then submit it for Jumia verification. Once approved, the product will go live automatically. After submission, monitor the Seller Center dashboard for status, traffic, and inventory alerts so you can react quickly to orders or stockouts. If the listing is rejected, check the error messages, correct the specific fields, often images, category, or weight, and resubmit. This simple fix usually resolves most approval problems and gets you live faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.